Hi, it's Ashik here. Welcome back to my channel. Our today's topic is control account, and it is an important chapter in accounting. So in this lesson, I will show you how to prepare sales ledger control account. So let's get started. Okay, look at the question here. What is written? Saul provided the following information for the month ended 30 June 2018. Okay, what is written? 2018 June 1st, sales ledger debit balance. Okay, and sales ledger credit balance. Very good. And there's a question mark, which is discount allowed. So what is written in the beginning of the question? Sales ledger debit balance, sales ledger credit balance. So these are balance sheet is given, and look at the end of the question, sales ledger debit balance and sales ledger credit balance. That means balance BD and balance CDs are given here, but there is a question mark, have you noticed, which is discount allowed. So in this question you don't need to calculate balance CD. You have to calculate here discount. Okay, so sales ledger control account is also called debtors ledger control account, or it is a total trade receivable account. So what is trade receivable? It is an asset for the business. Okay, debtor is an asset. Okay, so when your debtor will be increased, you have to record in the debit side. Okay, when your debtor will be decreased, record in the credit side. So what items will increase the debtor? So look at here. First of all, sales will increase your debtor. Bank, if it is a designer check, you need to write bank. This item will also increase your debtor. And interest charge. So interest charge will also increase the debtor. So in this case, we need to record these items in the debit side. And what items will be included in the credit side? The sales return. Okay, when you have sales return, debtor will be decreased or trade receivable will be decreased. Same way, if you receive money in cash or by check, will be decreased. Same way, if you have bad debts, you have discount allowed, you have any kinds of contra, your debtor will be decreased. In this case, you need to record in the credit side. Okay, so remember, these are the items only you have in the sales ledger control account. There is no more items other than this. Okay, so if you can remember these items, whatever question is given, you will be able to prepare sales ledger control account. Let us have a look at the balances. So sales ledger debit balance. So this is an opening balance. Don't forget, opening balance is balance BD. Here in the question you have debit balance. Okay, sales ledger debit balance. So debit balance means it is an opening balance. So opening balance, debit opening balance will be recorded in the debit side. Okay, so right here balance BD. So what is the value here? 16,420. Okay, again you have balance BD here. So credit balance will be recorded in the credit side, $390. So debit balance we recorded debit side, and credit balance we recorded in the credit side, but this is only for opening balance. So we have closing balance. I'll show you how to record in the record the closing balances here. And date is given 2018 June 1st. Here also 2018 June 1st. Okay, now we have to record these items one by one. So credit sales. What is credit sales? It is here. You need to record in the debit side because your trade receivable will be increased. So right here, credit sales. Okay, then what is the date in the question? June 30. Okay, credit sales, how much? It is $39,800. So write $39,800. Great. Next we have sales return. Yes, sales return will decrease the trade receivable. In this case, we have to record in the credit side. When it is decreasing, will be credited. So write June 30, same date, sales returns. Okay, what is value here? $2,700. All right, next we have here cash and check received from the credit customer. Yes, in this case trade receivable will be decreased. Yeah, when it is decreasing you need to record in the credit side. So go to the credit side, write cash and bank. Cash and bank. Okay, same date June 30, and what is value here? 36,350. Okay, great. Next one we have bad debts written off. Yes, bad debt written off will be recorded where? In the credit side, as your trade receivable will be decreased. So right here bad debt. So what is the value here? $340. Great. Next we have here sales ledger balance set off against purchase ledger balance. This is a contra entry. Okay, set off means contra. So don't forget, set off or contra will be recorded in the debit side of purchase ledger control account and in the credit side of sales ledger control account. Okay, don't forget, debit side of purchase ledger control account and credit side of sales ledger control account. So go to the credit side and write here contra, or you can say set off, whatever you like. $760. Great. Next one is here discount allowed. Yes, discount allowed will be included where? In the credit side. So go to credit side and write discount allowed. Okay, in the question the value is here not given, so we need to calculate this value. Okay, next one is here interest charged to the credit customer. Okay, interest charged will be included where? In the debit side. Okay, so let us write here interest charged. Okay, what is the value here? $175. Okay, so we recorded all items. Yeah, now look at the closing balances. So when we wrote opening balance, we recorded debit balance in the debit side and credit balance will be in the credit side. But here the closing balance, when you have the closing balance, you have to write debit balance in the credit side and credit balance in the debit side. Okay, so let us write here July 1st balance CD. Okay, this is the closing balance. So debit balance is in the credit side 15,485. Okay, now we have a credit balance which is 200. We need to record in the debit side. July 1st, this is balance CD. Okay, what is value? $200. So closing balance and opening balance are completely different. So opening debit balance we wrote in the debit side, opening credit balance we recorded in the credit side. But closing debit balance we recorded in the credit side, closing credit balance we recorded in the debit side. Okay, this is the most complicated part for the student. So please remember these terms here. Okay, now we need to calculate discount allowed. So how to calculate? First of all, we have to add these all debit amounts. So if you add, it is 56,595. Okay, so same balance you take to the opposite side. Okay, 56,595. Now you subtract this all items from these totals. Okay, so if we subtract, what you get? You get $570, which is discount allowed. Okay, so this is not done yet. You need to write something more. So this balance CD you need to bring down. Okay, so this balance CD will be here balance BD. So let us write here balance BD 15,485 and date is July 1, and this balance CD will be here balance BD. Okay, so right here balance BD $200 and date will be here July first. Okay, so in this question you have to calculate here discount allowed. Sometimes you need to calculate credit sales, sometimes sales returns, sometimes the closing balances, that means balance CD. Okay, different times, different question, different requirement. But if you remember the system, the proceedings, the items we recorded here, whatever question you'll be able to answer. And I have so many videos on control account, so you can check out the playlist. Okay, and this is all about our today's lesson. I hope you understood, enjoyed this lesson. And if you think that this video is helpful for you, please share with your friends. And please subscribe to my channel for more new videos. I'll see you soon with new one. You stay safe. Bye bye and take care.